Now, hope you all are doing great. Today, I just want to give a quick analysis on this week's chart and just to see how the market is playing out from our previous analysis over the weekend. So I'm going to go through the four major pairs as usual, and I'll be starting with gold. Okay, so let's see what the weekly time frame holds for us for gold. As you can see, we started the week by forming a bearish candle. I was targeting in between these two lines to see where the daily price is going to close. And if you go to the daily time frame, you can see that on Monday, a doji candle was formed. So a clear indecision. Price was not sure if it wants to go above it or close back below, and price just closed within the line. And now today price has started forming more bearish, and again we're still in between these two blue lines. So like I said, we're waiting for a daily candle to close either above or below this blue line. So if today's candle eventually closes below this blue line, it just means that price will ultimately continue to the downside, maybe up to this level here, the 1.720 level. Or if price closes above this blue line, then price will continue all the way to the 1070 level over there. So this is what we're looking out for gold. So we're still waiting patiently just to see how the daily candle is going to close. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see not 100%, but what can possibly happen is that price has formed this double bottom over here to 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it means that price could eventually just bounce up, but on the other hand, it could still break below. So we just have to wait and be patient and see how price reacts. Okay, so what we're looking at for gold mainly is the daily time frame to see if price breaks above or below this blue line. Next analysis will be Euro USD. For Euro USD, we can see that on the daily time frame, the price has continued this bearish move and is possibly heading towards this weekly support level here, where we'll be looking to take our entry. Either a buy gives a buy signal, so we'll be looking for a bullish engulfing candle or a bullish pin bar or a bullish inside bar. And if price breaks this level, this support level here, which is a very strong support level, then we would be looking for our sell opportunities. But for now, I'll just wait for price to get towards this level before looking for buy opportunities. Okay, and even if you go to the 4-hourly time frame, it doesn't really change what we're expecting what we're expecting to happen, which is for price to drop towards this area here and get our entry opportunity. Although if you put in a line here, you can see that price is just around this demand zone over here. So a lot of people will be putting in their buy orders already. So price may not even touch here. But if there are some buy orders here, then price may just quickly wick into this area, then start its movement up. But again, we're just waiting for our buy opportunities for Euro USD as well. For GBPUSD, initially I said when price got here and formed this bearish candle, sorry, it was around the 1.8% Fibonacci level, and price eventually went up, giving us an opportunity to buy. So I was able to take this buy trade from here, from this level here, with my stops just below here, and I took my take profit just about here. So about just a 40 pip trade on Monday on the GBPUSD, and that was a good trade for me. So we're waiting to see how price reacts now, but it looks like price may get all the way down to this support level here before I'll be looking for maybe a buy opportunity to the top. That way price would have formed this double bottom That's if that happens. So I'm just waiting to see. I'm not going to rush to enter any trades for now, just to see how price reacts to these two lines over there. That's my analysis for GBPUSD. Just to wait for price to get to this support and look for opportunities to capitalize on. And lastly, for today, I'll be looking at this GBPJPY. So as I was expecting for price to continue all the way to the top, you can see that price got to this level here and bounced up, which I took this trade initially and got out when price let me show you on the 4 hourly time frame. All right, so I took this trade over here, right, when price was bouncing here with my stop loss just down here, and I got out somewhere around this area here, about 100 pips on GBPJPY. So on GBPJPY, I had about 100 pips and 40 pips on GBPUSD. So 140 pips so far this week. So what I'm expecting is for price possibly to come all the way down here. Okay, to test this level one more time before making an up move, possibly. Okay. So right now I'm just waiting and observing. Also, if we go to the daily time frame, okay, we can see that if you draw your trend line over here, okay, we can see that price has eventually broken this trend line, which it wasn't able to do before. Okay, but that's just a little break and it's starting to form this candle. So it could just from here, the next candle could continue to the top side, or it could bounce here first before going to the top side. So we're still just lingering around this trend line here as well. So that's why I'm waiting just to see how price reacts. So this is my analysis for the four major pairs. For gold, I am waiting to see if price breaks either this lower blue line or this upper blue line on the daily time frame to see where I will enter. For Euro USD, I am waiting for price to give me a bullish reversal candle around here before I make my entry. And for GBP USD, I'm also waiting for price to come back here to form like a double bottom before taking price to the top. And for GBP JPY, I'm just waiting for a slight retracement down here. And if that retracement does not happen, then I'll be looking for buy opportunities to this next resistance level over here. But generally speaking, I am mostly, my bias is mostly bullish, but it's just when to take the bullish buys that I'll be looking out for. There will be some opportunities to sell the market, but I won't be selling the market at all. I'll just be looking for buy opportunities because I'm mostly a long trader anyway. So I'll just be looking for buy opportunities on the market. And yeah, and this is my analysis. I hope it's been very helpful. You have to be patient when it comes to forex. You don't have to trade every single time. And but when price gives you that good opportunity, then you can capitalize on it and load in a lot of position and make a lot of money from it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next analysis video. Take care and peace.